Hello everyone and welcome back in another video. So you have an Amazon Prime membership and now you're wondering how can you cancel it. In this video I'll show you exactly how can you cancel your Amazon Prime membership in a very easy and clear method. All you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video and let's jump right into it. For the first method, we're going to use the Amazon shopping app. So go to your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're on. Go ahead and search for Amazon and make sure you have the app installed and also updated to the latest version for everything to work properly. So after installing and updating the app, you can finally quit the store and let's go ahead and open it. Once you open the app, make sure you are logged into your account from here, of course. And then tap right here on this icon to go to your profile right there. Wait for this screen to load up, and what you need to do from here is to tap on your account right here. Again, wait for a couple of seconds. From these settings and options, keep scrolling down until you find memberships and subscriptions. This one right here, go ahead and tap on it to open that category. Now if you have a Prime membership, you should see something that looks like this. Just tap on Prime membership settings right here. And once you do that, you tap right here in the top on Manage membership to extend this list. From this list, tap on Manage membership again. And once you do that, just tap on End membership right here and then confirm, and that's how you cancel the membership from the mobile app. If you want to use the browser, go ahead and Google cancel Amazon membership. Open the first website, make sure you are logged into the Amazon account, and then it is very easy. From here, just tap on End your Prime membership, this button right here, and you should find your membership right there, and you can go ahead and cancel it very easily, no problem. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one.